to say that every state that this national conference is taken to, there's always a change in that state. And we believe that with about over 5,000 pharmacists, all the pharmaceutical industries will come to our state. The federal government will be present. Everyone will be there. So I want to let you know that come 2018, through the PSN, the state will also witness something that is special. At least a quarter of a century ago, that was the last time it held. That was 1993. And I also want to use this opportunity that the government has got a lot of things to gain from this particular conference. I want to use this opportunity to also also engage in leading the way for the commitment of government for this great exercise. It's a reason that everywhere it goes, it is the state government affairs. And we believe that the whole state government difference to even be a better place. So while I want to say that so far this year 2017, we have enjoyed great partnership with the state ministry of health. And every time we call on the ministry, we have always had very good reports. I'd like to also reiterate, we need to employ more pharmacists in most of our health centers to support many of them, and some of them who doesn't have pharmacists, that does not have pharmacists, should also have pharmacists. I also want to say that we need government to look critically on refurbishing and giving facelifts to some of our pharmacists, to some of these hospitals. Some of them, their states are not really too good, especially when we are looking at the drugs, we are going to keep them. Some of them need to be really addressed. I also want to mention that concerning our pharmacists working as directors of the state government, in other states, some of them are already on CADA, 17 CADA, and I believe also in the state there is a movement in that direction. We're also asking the government to also look that direction to at least let our members who are working in the government, in the state government, to enjoy the same opportunity their other colleagues and in other states. So these are our requests. We believe that come 2018, there will be better environment. All of us will be alive. And I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas. And this afternoon, I want to present these drugs to you, sir, as our token of support for you. Thank you very much. We have vitamins, we have antibiotics, and we have blood tonic. And we believe strongly this category of drugs represent those drugs that government also is spending a lot of money on. 0 to 5 years and pediatrics. And we feel that with this kind of drugs being provided to the government today, it will alleviate the cost of the government in reaching some of these people that are not in hospitals. Thank you very much, sir. So this is the list of the drugs we have brought. And that's the commercial value of them.
I, Dr. Aziz Popola Adedoton, the State Commissioner of Health, on behalf of the Governor, His Excellency Senator Ajimobi, the government and people for your state hereby receive this drug concerning to the glory of God, to the benefit of patients and mankind in your state. Thank you. PSN. Distributed for good use in all our hospitals, including primary care centers where they are most needed. Let me also assure you that I'd like to have a copy of your demands. I'm going to meet on it to make sure that we have an onward transmission to the governor, to make sure that the meeting that you want to hold in 2018 is supported fully by this government. Healthcare delivery is a teamwork. And there's no leadership. Because when there's a teamwork, we succeed. So if you want to work alone, but we will succeed. But if you work together with other members of the healthcare team, success is yours. So I'm very superbly confident that 2018 will be better in terms of relationship with the PSN and other states and other associations. So lastly, we have to deal with the government of other states and the people and government of this state. I want to thank you for what you have done for this mission. And I'm confident that based on Almighty God, we will put it to good use in the care of all our patients regardless of where they come from. And we're going to particularly look at government areas where all of this medication and the very short of time. I wish all of you a very Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, a successful period of your career. Thank you. Thank you.
For their present, we want to appreciate the PSN for this kind gesture as stated by my honorable commissioner. It's a worthwhile effort and the state really appreciated your effort. We really thank you and for good education Extremely thank you, and God bless.
To add a caveat to the PSA that this conference room is a product endowment committee.
Today you have just donated drugs worth of thousands of naira. What informed this decision from the association?
I think just like we had the Commissioner for Health says that healthcare is a teamwork. And for us at Pharmaceutical State of Nigeria, Oyo State Branch, we feel we need to support, no matter how little we have, to ensure that the people receive adequate health service delivery. For us, we feel that by this donation we have made, it will help the government to reach out to people who are in need. I know a lot of people are at the grassroots, and that's also informed the choice of drugs that we gave. You know, a lot of people at the grassroots are in need of medications, and somehow they don't have. We believe that with this, many of these people will also have an advantage of this particular drug product. And secondly, it also makes statements with the government that look, healthcare delivery, we need to support our homegrown pharmaceutical companies. And you see those companies that were, those products that were donated, they were companies that are right on the soil of Oyo State. So we're also making government to see that they can use their health spending to improve the economy of the state by buying from the pharmaceutical company in the states and using it as a platform for employment generation, improve value chains, and thereabout bringing total health to people in the state. That is the reason why we came to give this token of the drugs donated to the government this afternoon.